Hey podcasters, this is Keith from Podpal. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit an episode settings. Throughout the video, I'll be going over accessing your episode settings, changing your episode details, and updating your RSS feed. Okay, let's get started. From the episode dashboard, click the three dots on any episode card and click Settings. This is where you can edit any of the episode's details like your episode artwork, title, label, and episode type. But depending on your podcast settings, some options may not be available. You can always hover over any question mark icon if you need to learn more about a specific option. While viewing the episode settings, you can also add your recording or replace one that you've already uploaded. Use Podpal Scheduler to choose a target release date and time, and the episode card will let you know how many days you have left until release. If you've already scheduled an episode for publishing, you can still change the release date and time by clicking the status button on an episode card or going into the episode settings. For published content, you can find the date and time under Last Published. Select Modify Date to make any changes to the published date. You'll also have access to the episode URL, which links you directly to the episode's page in Podpal. This includes a media player and your show notes. So share this with friends and fans so they can listen to your awesome content. Okay, that's all. Make sure to check out our other video tutorials so you can become a Podpal expert. And remember, you can always visit our help center to learn more about Podpal's features.